Hello, Ayn. Good evening. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Ayn. Good evening.
Evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay, what did you do today?
I studied Korean.
Oh, wow. You studied Korean. What did you do after studying Korean? After studying Korean, what did you do next? Did you study English?
Math.
Oh, Korean and math. English. Did you study English too? Not yet?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you did. Okay. Tonight, we will review our lesson about kitchen. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yesterday, we talked about what's this?
Plate. Spoon. Kettle.
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 Okay.
Pot.
Pot. Pot.
Pot.
And
Pan.
pan. Okay. Now, Ayn, can you try to make a sentence using plate? Make a sentence using plate.
Yes.
Okay. Make a sentence using plate.
Plate. Plate on rice.
Place on lice. How do you spell lice?
R-I-C-E. R.
Oh, rice. Okay. Plate on rice. Oh, you put the rice. Maybe you can say I put rice
put
on my plate.
on my plate.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Second sentence.
Second sentence.
Okay. Make a sentence with spoon.
I have spoon.
I have a spoon.
Eat rice.
Oh, okay. I have a spoon, or you can say I use a spoon to eat rice.
Rice.
Okay? One more time.
Okay.
Say it again. I use
a spoon to eat rice.
Yes, correct. Next, number 3. Make a sentence using kettle. Kettle. Yes?
I use
Okay. I use
a
a
kettle to drink tea.
Okay, I use a kettle to drink tea. Okay, instead of using drink, you can use boil. Remember boil? Remember? Blub, 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 blub. Yesterday, I showed you boil.
Drink.
Blub, 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 blub.
Yes.
Boil. Right?
Boil.
I use kettle
Yes.
to boil
Boil.
what? Boil tea?
Tea.
Yes. Okay. Blub, 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 blub. Boil.
Boil.
Okay. Next, sentence number 4. Make a sentence using pot.
Pot.
Yes. Pot.
Pot.
Mhm.
I pot.
Pot. I pot or I use.
I pot. Pot.
You have a pot.
Non I pot.
What is the action for pot? I cook. Cook.
Yeah, I use
pot. Okay, I use pot
pot
to
eat food.
eat. You eat.
Yes.
Eat or
No.
cook? Cook.
Cook.
Okay, cook. Like this. Okay, I'll show you. Cook, right?
Yes.
Okay, I use pot to cook. What do you cook in a pot? Soup?
Yes.
Soup. I use pot to cook
I use pot
soup.
to cook soup.
Okay, correct. Last, use the word pan. Pan.
Pan. I use pan.
I use pan.
Pan. Egg fried
To
to
fry.
cook.
Okay, to cook.
Cook. Egg fry.
Egg fry, like this.
Yes.
Okay, you can say I use pan to cook fried egg.
Fried egg.
Okay,
Okay.
or I use a pan to fry an egg.
An egg.
Okay,
Okay.
all right. So follow the red fonts. Okay, can you read number 1?
I put rice on my plate.
Okay, number 2.
I use a spoon to eat rice.
Number 3.
I use carrot to boil tea.
Okay, number 4.
I use pot to cook soup.
Cook soup, not puss.
Cook
Soup. Soup.
Soup.
Okay, number 5.
I use pan to cook fried egg.
Yes, excellent. Great job, Ayn. Now let's go back here. Okay, the use of or and.
Or and.
Okay, I'll show you. Circle. This is circle A. Okay, this is circle B. This is circle C. Oh, no, not a circle. The joined. It means end. Okay.
Okay.
I will put a heart here and a star here. This is star and heart. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, this is end.
And.
C and.
C and.
Okay, so this is example. Ayn, do you like heart or star? Do you like A or B?
B.
B. So you like star, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ein, do you like star and heart? Star and heart?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's practice. Let's read ein.
I eat noodles
Noodles
with
with
chopstick or a fork.
Okay. What do you use, Ein? Chopsticks or fork? What do you use to eat
Chopstick.
noodles?
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks. Okay. What do you use to eat noodles and soup? Chopsticks or chopsticks and spoon? What do you use to eat noodles and soup?
A spoon.
Spoon? Only spoon?
Yes.
Only spoon? No chopsticks?
Chopstick.
Okay, spoon and chopsticks?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, say I use
spoon and chopstick.
to eat
Eat noodles.
noodles. Okay, good job, Ein. What do you use to eat rice?
A spoon.
Okay, I use spoon.
Yes.
Say I
I
use
spoon
to eat.
to eat rice.
Okay. Ein, what do you use to eat pasta?
I use chopsticks to eat pasta.
Okay, good. Ein, what do you use to eat kimchi and soup? What do you use to eat kimchi and soup?
Soup.
What do you use? I use.
Kimchi.
Okay, look at the screen. What do you use? I use.
Chopstick and
Okay, chopsticks and spoon.
to eat kimchi and soup.
Okay, kimchi and soup.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job. Ein, do you use fork or spoon to eat soup?
Spoon.
Okay, say I use
I use spoon to eat soup.
Okay, correct. Next, number 2. Let's read.
My mom cooks fried chicken and scrambled
Eggs.
eggs on a pan.
Eggs
Eggs on a pan.
on a pan. Okay. Ein, which is pan? This or this? Pan.
Pan.
Letter A or letter B?
B.
Okay, B.
B.
Ein, what did mom cook? Fried egg
Yes.
or scrambled eggs?
What's scrambled egg?
Scrambled is like this. Scrambled. Okay,
Scrambled.
I'll show you. This is Sunny side up. Sunny side up. Sunny side up.
Sunny side up.
This is
This is fried egg.
scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg. Okay?
Scrambled egg. Okay.
And this is boiled egg. Can you see?
Yes.
Boiled egg. Okay?
Boiled egg.
Okay, which egg do you like, Ein? Sunny side up, scrambled, or boiled egg?
Boiled egg.
You like boiled egg?
Yes.
Okay, say, I like.
I like boiled egg.
Okay, I like boiled egg. Number 3, Ein. Read.
The boy put his food on a plate or in a bowl.
Okay, the boy puts his food on a plate or in a bowl. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What
Is
for?
it bowl? Bowl is like that. This bowl. The ice cream is in the bowl. Bowl. Okay?
Bowl.
This
Okay.
is bowl. This is these are plates. Plates.
Plate.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Okay?
Okay.
Ein, do you eat in plate or bowl?
Bowl.
Bowl. Always in a bowl? Yes. Okay, say, I always.
I always bowl.
I always eat.
Eat
in
in
a
a bowl.
bowl. Good job. Do you like this ice cream, Ein? Do you like?
Yes.
Okay, this ice cream is for you. Ta-da! Good job, Ein. Okay, eat it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no more. Good job today, Ein. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.